this one, which is algebra. Walk in the park. Let's see what they want. They say factorize. So anyway, factorize, you look for something that is common, right? So what are we going to do here? Oh my goodness. Let's look for something that is common on the two things that we have. We have 18, blah, 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 and 98. So of course, we are going to look at the number. Do we have a number that can go into 18 and into 98? Let's say 98 divided by 18 itself. What do we get? 98 divided by 18. No. So what number can go into 18 and 98? Well, we'll try 2. 98 divided by 2, you get 49. Okay. So 98, can 4 go in? 98 divided by 4? No, it can't. So we do 2. So in other words, I'm going to be now saying this is going to be equal to 2 comes out. I will now have 2 into 18 is 9. The a squared is still there. Then minus 2 into 98 is 49. I saw that. I said 98 divided by 2. We got 49. All right. So now I factorize. But when I factorize, I'm going to see something. 9 is a square number. A squared is a square number. 49 is a square number. And they have a minus between them. It's called difference of two squares. If you're not good at this, just go and see factorization and the cases. I explained all of them. One of them is called difference of two squares. So 9 is a square number. You get it when you say 3 times 3. So you square root it, you get 3. A squared is a square number. You get it when you say a times a. So what is the square root of a squared? It's just an a. That's the number which multiplies itself to give you a squared. What number multiplies itself to give 49? Square root of 49, 7. So now what you're going to do when you are factorizing difference of two squares, you make two brackets where one says 3a minus 7, then the other one will say 3a plus 7. Okay, the 3 and the a, then whatever. So this is going to be it. So it's going to be 3a minus 7 multiplying 3a plus 7. And we are done. Now what do? We go to the other one, which is expand and simplify. Expanding, really? Yes. Walk in the park. Let's expand, please. So here, what is this going to be equal to? Well, if you want, you can start your own here, if you want. X plus 4 multiplying 2x minus 1 multiplying x minus 2. What is this going to be equal to? This is going to be equal to, what do? I'm going to expand these first two, or I can expand normally the last two and leave the first one multiplying. Okay, I'm going to expand the last two and leave the first one multiplying. So I have x minus 4. This whole thing will multiply the result of these two. Wow, what is going on? I'm going to fix that. Don't worry. I'll fix that. Now it's going to multiply the result of these two. So what do? I expand these two like that other one is not there. How do you expand? Two brackets that are multiplying each other like this. You take 2x, it multiplies the whole of the second. You take minus 1, it multiplies the whole of the second. So you say 2x times x, you get 2x squared. Then 2x times negative 2 is negative. 2 times 2, that's 4, so it's negative 4x. Then minus 1 times x is minus x. Then minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2. There we go. Now what are we going to have? X minus 4 multiplying 2x squared, then minus 4x minus x. You say minus 4 minus 1, you are going to get minus 5 of x, then plus 2. Now I have these two brackets multiplying, and I multiply again. Now I have two brackets multiplying. What do you know? You take x, it will multiply the whole of this bracket. Then you're going to take minus 4, it will multiply the whole of that bracket. So let's take it. So we say x multiplies the whole of this bracket. What do you have? X times 2x squared, you get 2x cubed. Then x times negative 5x, you get negative 5. Then x times x is x squared. Then x times positive 2 will be plus of 2x. Then now what are we going to do? We start with the minus 4. It multiplies the whole bracket. Minus 4 times 2x squared. We say minus 4 times 2, that's minus 8 of x squared. Minus 4 times minus 5. The signs are the same. Your answer is plus. 4 times 5 is 20 of x. Minus 4 times positive 2, the signs are different. Your answer is negative. 4 times 2 will be 8. Now let's simplify. So what do we have? It is 2x cubed. It's the only thing with an x cubed. Now let's deal with the things that have x squared. Okay, and we only work with the coefficients. We have 5x squared and negative 8x squared. So it's negative 5x squared and negative 8x squared. So when you put in the calculator, we'll actually say minus 5 minus 8. Okay, minus 5 minus 8, we're going to get negative 13. Of what? Of x squared. Then we deal with the things that have x. We have a 2x and a 20x. So you can say 2 plus 20, you are going to get plus 22x, then minus 8. This is going to be it, and we are done. So we can say it is actually 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 22x. So let me write it again. 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 22x minus 8. This becomes our final solution. Remember to write small things so that your thing can fit. so that it can fit. Don't forget. All right, now we will do the next question, which is number 17. We'll do it in the next video. Goodbye for now.